न्यूज HD। मैं हूं हारिस अली शाह गिलानी। खबर शामिल करते हैं कनाडा से। कनाडा सदर PCCA खालिद चौहान के घर पर कनाडा डे के मौका पर एक इशाइये का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें कसीर तादाद में सियासी व समाजी शख्सियात ने शिरकत की। इस मौका पर सोशल डिस्टेंस का खास ख्याल रखा गया। आए मजीद देखते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
जी, आज मैं मौजूद हूँ प्रेसिडेंट PCCA मिस्टर खालिद चौहान की रिहाइशगाह पर, जहाँ कनाडा डे के पुरमसरत मौका पर एक अशाइया रखा गया, जिसमें कसीर तादाद में लोगों ने शिरकत की। मज़ीद देखते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
Citizen of the Canada and fortunate to live in such an extraordinary place. Canadians are known around the world as dedicated, kind and socially strong people. We thank to early immigrants for their hard work and indigenous people for sharing their land with all the immigrants. On this great occasion, on behalf of our community, we promise our share in the future effort to make Canada even greater.
I was actually not born in Canada. I was born in India. I grew up in England, and I chose Canada to be my home. I came for a year or two, but fell in love with it and decided this is where I wanted to have my children. This is where I wanted to raise them, and this is where I saw a future for them.
Canada Day event that we are going to celebrate, because rest all of it is virtual. So thank you. And I think Khalid Bhai just needs an excuse to celebrate. So he will just find out some way, whether it's Eid, whether it is New Year's or anything, he'll find an excuse to get together. So I have been very privileged, I have been very fortunate, but I know what is happening at the grassroots level. And as in the position that I am, it is my duty to talk about those things, to make to help erase those barriers for the marginalized people, for the people who are still suffering. I'm very happy to see a lot of activism that is happening, the Black Lives Canada, Black Lives Matter activism, or Indigenous Lives Matter.
I would totally attest that I'm very happy that I'm in a country that is called Canada.
Actually, we celebrate freedoms, rights and responsibilities as Canadians. We we honor the shared values, symbols and history of Canada, and that defines us as Canadians.
This is Jenny Sims, the MLA for Surrey Panorama. We're here today with the PCCA BC to celebrate Canada Day. Mere valon ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ Happy Canada Day.
Hello, I'm Rachna Singh, MLA for Surrey Green Timbers. I want to wish the viewers of K News a very, very happy Canada Day. I know this Canada Day is very different because of COVID-19, but I really hope that you have a wonderful day with your family. Thank you.